All right, here's one for you. Why don't Khajiit like to play cards in Skyrim? Because they're always afraid of getting caught with a perfect hand. Patrick, want to hear a joke? Why did the dragon go to therapy? Because it had scale issues. I try my best, Patrick. Just trying to bring some laughter to our adventures. Sure, Patrick. I'm always up for a good laugh. Tell me your joke. Time to teach this clucking menace a lesson. Well, Patrick, you know how it is. Can't let those chickens get the upper hand. They may be small, but they can be surprisingly feisty. Just doing my part to keep the world safe from poultry tyranny.